The universe is not silent. It's screaming. Stars out there are producing 95 to 110 decibels of sound. And even our own sun roars at 100 decibels. But why don't we hear this cosmic noise? Because space is a vacuum. Sound needs a medium. And in space, there's none. If there were no vacuum, we'd all be dead from the noise alone. Now, imagine a sound at 1100 decibels. That's not just loud, it's planet-shattering. At this level, sound would rip air molecules apart, turn them into plasma, shatter mountains, and tear Earth into pieces. This isn't just sound, it's raw energy disguised as vibration. Scientists say that a sound this powerful could even create a black hole. So yes, just one divine sound, and it's game over for everything.